Hello everyone, so welcome to the PyTorch version of Cats and Dogs. So as in TensorFlow, we want to go through the tutorial in steps, all the way from the first step to the last step. So as we had stated in the TensorFlow tutorials, that the first step is actually same for both. So I'm not actually going to talk much about it. So let me just run this one. This one is for actually the first steps, that is Kaggle API configuration and dataset loading from the Kaggle data platform. So let me do that. Yeah, I've loaded the Kaggle.json file. So as you see, as it loads on in the TensorFlow uh, dataset, now we are using torch.utils.data.dataset, and we're also going to use the torch data loader for data multi-threading. So here, and then visualizations is the same, and then train test split and pretend model initialization. As in the TensorFlow, we are also going to use the ResNet 50 with the changing configuration of the last layer to match the number of classes that is 2, but in this case it's going to be the last layer will be dense layer of output 1. So yeah, and then we're going to use a binary threshold because we are actually dealing with the binary classification that's between cats and dogs. Then custom model training, here we are going to use the PyTorch data training format. So let's just load the data. Yeah, so as earlier on we said, it's downloading as a zip, and then we use these Linux commands to unzip it. So this exclamation essentially helps us so that we can run the Linux commands on a notebook. Yeah, so it's kind of like a modified way, or I can talk of it as a magic command. So after that, then we actually inflate it. In short, inflating is just to unzip the files from the zip file. Yeah, then after that we're going to delete it. So the zip files have been deleted. So when we load here, we see that the zip files are now deleted. Now we have the folders, and then yeah, so I think, yeah, up to that point, let me remove this cell for now because it's in the next part, which is importing libraries and setting seed. So running this one again, see the number of train images of cats and dogs are 25,000. The number of test images are 12,500. Yeah, so that's it for the first step.